Hello there! The new webshop of Ingredients4U had just gone online a short while ago. A lot has changed. In this video, I will show you some exciting features and how to place an order. Let's get started. As you could probably already see here, our local inventory for each product is shown on the product listing page. Help yourself if you have any needs. As we scroll down the page, we could find product certifications and documents granted by the suppliers in the Manufacturer Certificates column. In order to get to know the product specifications and details, simply check the Product Technical Documents column, and voila! Want to see for how much amount of quoting gives you the most acceptable unit price? No need to send emails anymore. With simple clicks, the discounts will be adjusted automatically, more efficient and much easier. If you want to proceed to checkout, click the shopping cart icon, select Proceed to Checkout or View Cart to get final quotation. The two buttons both lead to checking out eventually. Let's now go to the checkout page directly. On this page, first fill in the shipping address column on the left. Then, choose your ideal dispatch date, and then choose FCA or DDP. Do keep in mind, fields marked with red stars are required to fill in. You need them to be fully filled in order to send quotation and place order. After you confirm that all the information is correct, click on the Send Quotation button. After a few seconds, you should receive an email with a quotation note attached. Confirm all the details. If there are no mistakes, go back to the checkout page and click Place Order. Congratulations! Now you have just placed your first order on Ingredients4U. Your order will be processed by our team, and you shall receive the final contract and invoice in 2 workdays. Ingredients4U, we are devoted to creating the best ingredient sourcing experience for you.